So I've got a tree here that has to come down. It got hit by lightning last summer, so it's a standing dead tree kind of hanging over the house. So I'm going to cut it down today. You can see where the bark is actually coming off the tree. So I've got some things here I'm going to rig the tree with. So I used this extension ladder here to rig up the rope that I have tied up on the tree here. So I've got it rigged up here to a stump from a previous tree I cut down. So I've got to come along here with a yellow rope that's under tension, and I put it up far enough on the tree to have a good amount of leverage. And I've actually tensioned the tree so it's kind of leaning, bending this way a little bit, so it's under tension in this direction. Plus also in amongst with the rope here, I've got a double strand of bungee cord tied. So as the tree starts to come this way, that bungee cord is going to continue to pull it this direction. So I just want to make sure it's going to go where I want it to go here. So the center of the weight looks about equal, dead on. The top of the tree is definitely a little bit that way, but the whole lower part of the tree is kind of going the other way, and most of the weight I think is down here. So I feel there should be plenty of force on my leverage point up there with my rigging to pull it that way. I do see a little bit of green up there. There's one little tiny branch that's got some green on it. So I believe the tree is still in pretty decent shape, other than the lightning strike taking out the rest of it. So my hinge, I feel pretty good about my hinge here, not breaking on me. And I can also wedge it if I have to. I'm going to cut my notch and my back cut right there, and then I've got an escape route out here towards the ravine and deck kind of behind all these trees here to keep any of those widowmakers up there from coming down and hitting me.
You have your escape route clear?
Uh-huh. I got a couple more cannons to roll here and then I'll start cutting. Alright, I'm going to start cutting. Okay, there's a notch out.
Okay.
Now I'm going to do the back cut. It's down!